Ever wondered what cloud computing really is? So let's break it down. So before understanding cloud computing, it's important to grasp virtualization. It allows multiple virtual machines to run on one physical server, sharing hardware resources through a hypervisor. This maximizes the power of cloud computing. So cloud computing is a rapidly growing technology offering a remote virtual pool of on-demand shared resources including compute, storage, database, and network services. It's changing the landscape of how many companies operate with significant business and technical advantages. So let's deep dive into core foundation services. In cloud computing, core foundation services include compute, storage, database, and network resources. Understanding these will help identify what services to move to the cloud. So cloud computing is a game changer, offering scalable on-demand resources. Stay tuned for more on cloud deployment models. So let's understand different cloud deployment models. The three main cloud deployment models are public, private, and hybrid. The public cloud model offers shared infrastructure accessible over the internet for public usage. It's maintained by the cloud vendor, providing flexibility and scalability. On the other hand, the private cloud is a privately hosted, managed, and owned by individual companies, offering greater control and security. In a private cloud, all resources are isolated and in the control of one organization. So the private cloud is also called the internal or corporate cloud. Lastly, the hybrid cloud combines both public and private clouds, allowing for seasonal burst traffic or disaster recovery. It extends the logical internal network of the private cloud, offering the benefit of both models. So let's have a quick overview of the key characteristics of cloud computing. So on-demand resourcing. Cloud computing offers on-demand resourcing, meaning that the resources are immediately available for allocation, eliminating the need for wait for hardware to be ordered, installed, and configured. Scalability. With cloud computing, you have the ability to rapidly scale your environment's resources both up and down and in and out, depending on your requirements and demands of your application and services. Economy of scale. Thanks to virtualization technology, cloud computing provides an economy of scale, resulting in exceptionally low resource cost compared to traditional hosting. Flexibility and elasticity. Cloud computing offers huge flexibility and elasticity, allowing you to fully customize your environment using only the resources required. Utility-based metering. Many cloud services operate on a utility-based metering system, meaning you only pay for the resources you use. So let's dive into cloud service models. The three main cloud service models are software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Each model offers varying levels of manageability and customization over your solution. Software as a service or SaaS provides widely distributed and accessed applications like Google's Gmail. These applications are fully managed by the provider and accessed over the internet, offering minimal customization from the user's perspective. Platform as a service, moving up the customization scale, platform as a service or PaaS offers a greater level of management and control. It provides an application framework on top of the operating system, allowing developers to focus on creating new apps. And lastly, infrastructure as a service or IaaS allows the highest level of customization. Users can configure their own portion of the cloud, including virtual networks and operating systems, while the underlying host is managed by the vendor. Let's dive into some of the common use cases of cloud computing and how enterprises are leveraging these technology. Migration on the cloud. One of the major use case of cloud computing is migrating production services from on-premises solutions to the cloud. With the benefits of scalability and cost effectiveness in mind, many businesses are choosing to move their existing production services to the public cloud. Traffic bursting. During peak season, the public cloud can be used to scale networking resources to manage additional traffic. This means you only pay for the extra infrastructure when you need it, making it a cost-effective solution for handling fluctuation traffic. Backup and disaster recovery. The built-in resiliency and durability of public clouds make them a great solution for backup and disaster recovery needs. With access to unlimited storage space and cost-effective data management lifecycle policies, cloud computing is becoming a popular choice for enterprises. Web hosting. Many organizations are opting to host their web services on the cloud due to its ability to load balance across multiple instances and scale up and down quickly based on traffic demands. So let's dive into cloud computing infrastructure. Location. In an on-premises data center, infrastructure is housed on-site and across multiple locations for residents. Similarly, public cloud providers have regions with at least two data centers in different geographic locations, ensuring high-speed interconnectivity and data transfer. Physical security. Public cloud vendors are responsible for stringent security controls and certifications, ensuring the physical security of the data center. Mechanical and electrical infrastructure. The responsibility for implementing capacity, resiliency, and testing for mechanical and electrical infrastructures in the data center lies with the vendor, removing these burden from the end user. Network infrastructure. In the public cloud, networking operates at a software level, allowing the implementation of control services and configuration to simulate the effects of physical network components. Servers and storage. Cloud vendors offer services replicating the functions of servers and storage in on-premises data centers with added advantages such as scalability and durability. The public cloud environment easily translate on-premises data center solutions, offering significant advantages and benefits. Let's explore the benefits of cloud computing for organizations. On-demand resourcing. One of the key advantages of cloud computing is on-demand resourcing. This means that when you need to provision a resource within the cloud, it's almost immediately available to you to allocate where and when you need it. This alleviates the lengthy process of sourcing additional resources for your infrastructure, providing almost instant access to a resource that you have selected and configured via a series of options. Scalability. Cloud computing offers the ability to rapidly scale your environment's resources both up and down and in and out depending on your requirements and demand of your applications and services. This is only possible because of the on-demand resourcing of the cloud. Economy of scale. Due to the huge scale of resources public cloud offering provide, you benefit from exceptionally low compute storage and network cost compared to traditional hosting. Public cloud providers can make use of these when buying infrastructure in huge scales, passing on the savings to you. Flexibility and elasticity. Cloud computing offers huge flexibility and elasticity to your design approach, allowing you to deploy different resources and services within minutes or seconds. This flexibility is often coupled with automation, ensuring your infrastructure will always deliver great service to your customers. Utility-based metering. With many cloud services, you only pay for what you use. This means you only pay for resources when you are using them, similar to paying for electricity when you use it. Shared infrastructure. Hosts within the cloud are virtualized, allowing for shared infrastructure, which significantly reduces the amount of physical hardware required, resulting in cheaper cost for you. So let's dive into advantages of cloud computing for businesses. The cloud offers a new wave of life to your businesses and its architecture, providing new ways of working, deployment, and automation. It presents a massive potential within your businesses to innovate and take advantage of new services and technologies. For example, serverless computing can be a game changer, allowing you to focus solely on your code. These can lead to faster production release and innovation, helping you bring new products and applications to market more quickly. The cloud also helps businesses reduce their carbon footprint, making it a huge plus point as a differentiator in leading change for the better. Additionally, it allows for remote working, reducing cost and increasing the scope for talent sourcing. Furthermore, it reduces business risks such as data durability and product risks while making the business more dynamic and efficient. Utilizing the cloud can open up access to data and services for authorized third-party vendors, providing significant benefits and leading to a change in business strategy, making your organization stronger within the market.